Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 12 science subject mathematics chapter number 9 differential equation. So first we have to write basic concepts. It means we are already familiar with the equations. Okay, suppose 2x plus 3 is equals to 10. Okay, it is a linear equation, okay, in one variable. Okay, next 3x plus 5y equal to 0, it is called linear equation in two variable. Okay, suppose we can write x square plus 5x plus 9 equal to 0, it is called quadratic equation. Yes or no? So whenever any equation containing differential coefficient is called differential equation. Is it clear? See, suppose we can write x plus dy by dx equals to 0. So here dy by dx is called differential coefficient. So this type of equation, it is called differential equation. Is it clear? Now what is the proper definition of differential equation? Okay, so an equation, differential equation, an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, is known as differential equation. Okay, example is y plus dy by dx is equals to x. So here x is called independent variable and y is dependent variable. So it means here we have to differentiate with respect to independent variable. It means we have to derivative with respect to x. Is it clear? Now see, now we have to see notations of differential equations. Okay, so in general dy by dx is equals to, we can write y dash, it means is called first order derivative. Second, d square y by dx square, it is called second order, it means we have to write y double dash. Okay, for third derivative d cube y by dx cube is the third derivative, it means we can write y triple dash. But what about n power? Suppose we have to write d raised to 10 y by dx raised to 10, so we can write y raised to 10 times dash. Is it true or false? Is it true? So we can write y raised to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes or no? No. But whenever for derivatives of higher order, okay, it means more than 3 power, we have to use y10. Okay, so it means we have to use yn for nth derivative, d raised to n y by dx raised to n. Is it clear? Now see, now again one more thing we have to discuss here. Here differential equations is mainly two types. Okay, differential equations have mainly two types. Okay, first one is ordinary and second differential equation. Ordinary, sorry, ordinary and differential equation. And second, partial differential equation. Ordinary means a differential equation involving single variable. Okay, involving single variable. Suppose here we can write x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So here only single variable will be independent. Okay, but in partial differential equation involving more than one independent variable, it means we can write f of x y z. Okay, so here we have to use del. Okay, not dy by dx. Okay, here we have to use del. So d square x by del, so del square f upon del x square plus del square f upon del y square plus del square f upon del z square is equals to 0. So this type of equation is called partial differential equation. Okay, here we three independent variable x, y and z. Okay, but partial differential equation, it is not in our syllabus, so we have to discuss about only ordinary differential equation in standard 12. Okay, now we have to go ahead. Order and degree, it's a very important topic. Order and degree. Order means, first we have to discuss about order. Order means highest derivative. Okay, find out the highest derivative of given differential equation. Okay, it is called order. Now degree means power of highest derivative. Power of highest derivative. Okay, suppose we have to write one example for order and degree. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y equals to 0. So what is the order of differential equation? So here highest derivative is 2, so order is 2. And degree, so degree is 1 because power of second order derivative will be 1, so degree is 1. Here one more thing we have to understand. Differential equation should be in polynomial form. Okay, otherwise degree does not exist. Okay, now we are going to start exercise 9.1. see, determine order and degree if defined, if differential equations given in exercise 1 to 10. So here serial number, differential equation, in third column order, and fourth one is degrees given. Okay, so first one, d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 plus sine y triple dash, it means it gives third order derivative, equals to 0. So order of this differential equation is 4. Okay, here fourth derivative is highest, so highest derivative will be 4. See, order means highest derivative, so highest derivative is 4, so order is 4. Degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial form. Here sine y triple dash. Okay, so not defined. Next, y dash plus 5y equal to 0. So here highest order derivative is 1, so order 1. Degree is also 1 because power of y dash is 1. Third, ds upon dt raised to 4 plus 3s d square s upon dt square equals to 0. So here ds upon dt is the first order. Okay, and d square s upon dt square is the second order. So order will be 2, and power of d square s upon dt square will be 1. So degree is 1. See, fourth one, d square y by dx square whole square plus cos dy by dx. So again it is not a polynomial form. So degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. So what is the order? See, here second order is the highest. So answer is 2. See, fifth one, d square y by dx square is equals to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So here second order is the highest and power of d square y by dx square is 1. So degree is 1. 6. Y triple dash whole square plus y double dash cube plus y dash raised to 4 plus y raised to 5 equal to 0. So here third order is the highest. So order is 3 and degree is 2. See, we have to check only power of highest derivative. So power of y triple dash is 2. So degree is 2. Next, question number 7. Y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash equal to 0. So in this equation 3 is the maximum order. So y triple dash, it means order will be 3 and power of y triple dash will be 1. So degree is 1. 8. Y dash plus y equal to e raised to x. So here first order is the highest and power of y dash will be 1. So degree is 1. 9 number, y double dash plus y dash square plus 2y equal to 0. So here second order is highest. So order is 2 and degree is 1. See, because we have to check highest power, highest order of power. So degree is 1. Okay, not 2. 10 number, y double dash plus 2y plus sin y equal to 0. So here again second order derivative. So order is 2 and degree is 1. It means because power of y double dash will be 1. Is it clear? Next, 11 number, the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx square plus sin dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0 is. See, here sin dy by dx is the not a polynomial form. So degree is not defined. The order of the differential equation 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y equal to 0 is, order is second order, highest is this 2. So answer is A 2. Is it clear? So thank you.